When the sun sets, you'll hear the fishes and pigeons playing an ironic game. You'll feel the cold, creepy fog of volcanic ash.
The last thing you hear before you fall asleep at night is your mother singing to you, "Good night, sweet child." And then a mockingbird comes in and whispers, "Just kidding."
It was the noise of a bowstring being drawn.
It was the vibration of a fingernail.
It was the movement of a dust mop.
It was the twinkle of a little lamp.
It was the ribbons of midnight flowers.
It was the reality, the statement about the world, you see.
I'm not acquainted with my own flesh. I'm not acquainted with my own body's nervous system.
What do you mean?
Don't you get it? It's a dead world, and it's a dead thought. It's a dead fabric, and it's a dead continuum. And there's no longer any actual expression. It's just an unreal arrangement of nerves and connections that can't go on. It's a computer system. It's a system of neurons and sepses and fibers and circuits. It's not real. There's not any object at all, or very little object at all. There's nothing. Everything is empty. Do you realize that? I'm crazy. We're crazy. I could be some actor, some presence in that milieu. Someone who thinks. Someone who exists. Do you understand? If there is an identity here, a concept, then it's not really the work of a mind. It is the work of an imaginary brain. It's a little piece of crap. A little fabrication. It's an imitation of a mind. It's the child of imagination, of what imagines, the network of being. And it's dead because it's a series of fake intellectual, perceptual, and other mental units that never really existed. It was an imaginary self-portrait yes, let me close my eyes, please. You'll be my fantasy self. If I take a puff of smoke that turns the light into shadow, it will not look like me, or any self-image that I have ever made of my own physical body, or of any of my neural sepses, or of any of the implicate material I've mentioned. There's nothing real here. Just a hologram. A sense of presence. Just some psychic image. I'm going to lie down and die. You'll hear my voice say, I have to lie down and die. There is no metaphor, no substance, just a bald phrase, an impression, an idealized image.